Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video for PC. And today I'm going to show you how you can create Google Form easily. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your Chrome browser, and the first thing that you need to ensure that your Chrome browser is synced with your Gmail account. And after ensure that, just click those nine dots here. Just click here and you can see all the Google services here, and scroll down, and here is the form option here. Just click that option here and this window will pop up. You can see different types of ready-made templates here. There are a lot of ready-made templates that you can select and also customize it as your own, but I'm going to select this blank option and give you an overview to how to create forms. And here is the title of this form. You can change it anything that you like. I'm going to change this to login information. And here you can see form description. You can describe this form anything that you like. This is not a video that I'm going to show you in depth to how create a login information form, but this is an overview that and I will give you all the options overview and how to insert those options. So let's continue. Just you can give a question here. Just click that box and give a title of that question, like email. And you can select here like short answer, or you can select paragraphs, a long answer, and also select check boxes. You can see the option and you can add other options just clicking here. And also there are different kinds of things like checkbox grid, multiple choice grid, and multiple choice. Just click here and add option. You can add as much option as you need, and you can also add image by clicking this one. Just click here and you can import it from your PC or just a Google image. Search it here and just double click that image, and that image will automatically add on to your form. And here you can see the plus icon. Clicking this plus icon means you add another question. And also this is import question. You can import any question from your previous Google Forms. I'm not gonna do it right now. And also I already seen you there how to add the image. You can also add YouTube videos by clicking this. You just have to search that video and double click that option, and your YouTube video will automatically add to your Google Form. And now you can click this option, the preview option, to see how your forms look. And this is the preview option, and if you send someone the link of this form, that person will see this form in this way. And now to send it, just click the send option here, and after clicking the send option you can see this window. Now if you type any email address here and click send, that email address will have your Google Form links. And to copy that link, just click here this option, and this is your Google Form links here. You can see your link and just copy it and send it via WhatsApp, Messenger or Facebook that you like to send to your friends. And also you can shorten this URL. This URL is a long URL. To short this, just click this shorten URL. Now you can see this is a much smaller URL and easy to copy, and just copy here and send it to via anything that you want. And this is the overview to how you can create a Google Form. And that is the video. I hope this video helps you. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next one.